From Aliexpress, take a look what you can order. 10 pieces, and you can choose whatever color you want. Yellow, red, purple, green, blue. And what are they? 10 pieces LED bacon. Bacon for vehicles, signal track, accessories, advertising, 12 volt stop LED injection with lens module light. For $3 you can get 10 pieces of these beautiful LED lights. Color whatever you want. And I got them. I see no bubbles. Oh. And I order yellow. 10 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They work on 12 volts. And I'm gonna test them. We're gonna see how many watts are they and how much current is pulling each of these LEDs. On the back there is a self-adhesive tape. Nice. And all of them are connected in series, but you can cut on these wires and use just one. Alright, let's test. For those who don't know, what means a COB LED? COB stands for chip on board. Alright, it's a single device with many LED chips mounted on a efficient substrate placed below uniform phosphor coating. And it says, is COB light better than a LED? If you need a wide and even spread of light over a large area, COB LED technology may be the better choice. Okay. Here it is, my power supply is set right now at 8.4 volts. Applying to the COB LED strip. Wow. At 8.4 volts, just look how much light is this. Let's increase the voltage to 12 volts. Wow, this is super bright. And I don't know, can you see it? It's pulling around 900 milliamperes at 12 volts, all 10 of them. Super bright. Just to kill the light so you can see better. Okay, turning on. Can you see it? This is super bright. All 10 of them are pulling 900 milliamperes. That meaning that one will pull 90 milliamperes at 12 volts. And they are start to working from how many volts? From 8 volts with low light. 9, 10, 11, 12. Very bright. Let's cut one. Okay. And you can cut also the wire right here. And you got one COB light. You have wires from the both sides, but doesn't matter on which side you apply voltage, it will work for both sides. Let's put some 12 volts now. Come on, buddy. Okay. And it's pulling 110 milliamperes. Alright. It have a self-adhesive tape on bottom. How many chips are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 LED chips, yellow LED chips inside this COB light. And I'm I'm planning to place these yellow lights in my garden, and that meaning that this one panel is worth 30 cents, 10 of them for $3. The link for Aliexpress product will be in description below, so you can check it. And that's it. That was a short video for this Aliexpress cob light. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!